The layouts that feel the most premium usually have the cleanest structure hiding underneath them. Today, how to create cinematic grid compositions. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Start by inserting multiple rectangular frames in a structured grid arrangement while leaving slightly uneven spacing to avoid a rigid look. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting the crops carefully for consistency and storytelling. Select the background and apply a muted charcoal or soft beige gradient for a cinematic atmosphere. Duplicate one of the larger frames, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create subtle layered depth. Add thin geometric